Today we're gonna unbox it just like on microwave. Alright, let's try on. Let's see how it works. Let's get started. Just press the chicken one. Wow. This is so cool, kids. It looks like it's just a real one. Wow. Oh, the timer ran out. Ah, the chicken is ready.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm in there.
Oh, it's not working. Oh yeah, it works. Yummy.
Chicken looks so yummy.
It's ready.
Oh. Gotta look at it.
Let's put. Ah, it's pretty hot.
Can I see?
It's ready to eat. Gonna cook the chicken. Let's press the chicken one.
Is it Mama, key. It's delicious.
That's pretty cool. I like it.
I taste delicious.